Hi, I'm JP Terry, and in this video we will use AEM Forms Designer to bind an XFA form to an XML schema. You can use any version of Designer to bind forms with data. And if you're new to Designer, this is a simple but effective demonstration of how Designer integrates with data. Here are the steps. To start, open Designer. Create a new blank form by choosing File New. Designer opens the New Form Assistant. Select Use a Blank Form and click Next to continue. Keep the defaults on all subsequent screens and keep clicking Next until you get to the Finish button. Click Finish to create your new form. Switch from the Hierarchy palette to the Data View palette on the left side of your workspace. If you don't see the Data View tab, choose Window, Data View. The Data View palette should be empty. Right-click on the empty Data View palette and choose New Data Connection. Designer launches the new Data Connection wizard. Enter Sample Schema as the name of your connection. Select XML Schema and click Next. Locate and select the sampleschema.xsd file in the student files. Select the Embed XML Schema box. Click Finish to create your connection. Your Data View palette will now be populated with the data objects. Drag and drop the data connection onto the upper left corner of your form. Designer automatically creates the data-bound form field for you. Save your file as mysampleschemaform.xdp. Select Preview PDF in the Layout Editor to see that the attributes from the schema are now in your form. Click the Short Size drop-down list. The 5 available choices came from the XML schema file. These values are an enumeration in the schema, and this example shows you one way your forms can benefit from explicit data binding. Enter a length of 27 in the pants length text field and press Enter. You'll receive a validation message box. The JavaScript for this data validation was automatically generated by Designer based on a restriction in the schema file. Switch back to Design View and select the Order Date field. This is an example of a Designer date field and it contains a data pattern. Click the Pattern button on the Field tab of the Object palette to bring up the Patterns dialog box. Select the Data tab to see the data pattern. The XML data that's output from this field will correspond to this pattern. You can see how Designer has created form fields that are ideal for the data connection. In this video, we used AEM Forms Designer to bind an XFA form to a XML schema. This was a simple but effective demonstration of how Designer integrates with data. This is an exercise from the Adobe course entitled AEM Forms Designer, and you can learn more about AEM Forms training at aemforms.training.